welcome back to another unboxing. This has been a long time coming. Like, I've been waiting for this hammer ever since I kind of saw that I could purchase one. It's been sold out everywhere. Now they're going on tour again. It's Blackpink, and it's now being like restocked, which is awesome. So I actually had a pre-order on one from Sub K, and then I was watching a live on Instagram live, on from Sarong Hello SF, and they said they just got a ton in stock, and so here we go. I got my here's the keychain. Thought that would be cute. So I was able to go get one. It's brand new in box. The Blackpink official lightstick version 2. And yeah, it is the hammer. Like, this is so cool. On the box, the front is very simple. Just says the Blackpink official lightstick version 2 limited edition. YG. Their company, obviously. Then on the back has some cautions. Don't drop it, might break the LED. Avoid high temps and humidity. Be gentle on the silicone as it may tear. Keep away from children, apparently, due to small parts. Repair service is limited if the product has been damaged by excessive usage, alteration, modification, misuse, accident, or neglect. That's pretty funny. There is an app for it, so I will go ahead and download that in a moment here. And then there's the QR code right here, or you could go to that site to download it, and there's an FAQ on how to use it. There's the application QR code, the official lightstick version, I guess that's my serial number, and then manufacturing, materials. The weight is 150 grams. This is significantly lighter than most of the other lightsticks that I've touched. The size, and then this one is Bluetooth. That must be the YG official seal. Here, I'll show it up here as well. Right there. Bluetooth, and yeah, let's go ahead and check it out. Oh, the Blackpink logo on the side there. I don't know, on the top it just says Blackpink. I do find it funny that a lot of the unboxings that I've seen, people have like tried to go to cut this and it's been sealed, or it's already been cut rather than sealed. But this one is actually sealed still. So there's that. I've also seen people open it from the bottom. Yeah, I don't know if I want to give that a shot though. Yeah, no. I'll just do it the normal way. I did bring a box cutter for this, so let's go ahead and just break that seal, because this is one that I really wanted. Like, as soon as I saw this on like YouTube, and that they showed how the inspiration came from Weekly Idol, that was pretty sweet. So that is fantastic right there. All right, so let's go ahead. Wow. That is awesome. Okay, I think, I don't even know how to take this. Does this come out first? And then, oops, yeah. And then, how does this proceed? Just like that, okay. There is a wrist strap. Blackpink on both sides, I assume. Show that up here as well. Blackpink. Blackpink. So, yeah, and then is that it? No. There is an instruction manual, and then there's nothing else inside the box. It's actually too dark for you to see anything in there. Maybe on this camera. Nope. Nothing. It's empty. So, going back down here, we have the quick guide in Korean right there. In English on the other side. And in English. Oh no, I'm sorry. It's solely in Korean on that first page, but on the second one it shows... Oh, there's a sound on-off switch. That's pretty neat. Power button, And then a micro 5-pin. I don't know what the micro 5-pin's for. That's weird. The battery cap, strap holder, and then it comes with the holder right there. Silicone pad. That's weird. This is like the bulk of the weight, I think. That's really heavy. Yeah, this is super light. And then the strap, and then feels like there's more. Does it unfold this way? Okay, unfolds this way. And the instructions right there, how to replace the battery. The 5-pin connector, power supply connecting cable, 5-pin located on the side. I don't understand what the charger is for. Apparently there's a 5 volt or 2 amp charger. Don't use the internal battery and it does not support recharging. All right, anyhow, so the on off button allows you to switch between LED modes, and there's a regular mode, which power on, dimming, flash, and off. It also does Bluetooth pairing, and then central control mode, convert automatically at a concert. Oh, that's kind of neat. So you could like link it at a concert. Hopefully I'll be able to get some Blackpink tickets for their LA tour, and I'll be able to actually see them live. That would be pretty sweet, and I'll be able to bring this. I think I shouldn't have any issues bringing this onto a plane. There is, okay, the 5-pin that they're talking about is an old, so there's a cover over the Blackpink. Just a little bit of protection for the Blackpink logo. It was on both sides. I just tapped on that on-off button. And then that is the USB. I think it's so you could just plug it into a wall, maybe. Try to get that in the light right there. Just an old. Huh. That's cool. Oh, I see. Sound on, sound off. I was hearing that people were saying that they're upset because this doesn't make sound anymore. And it looks like there is a way to turn it off. It's you cover the hole. Yeah, and then you uncover the hole and I wonder how annoying this is at concerts. Like it should just be one of those things where people are not hitting each other, but I wonder if they do, you know? It is what it is, but here we go. Check that out. Blackpink on the side right there. Looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and get some batteries installed. This is just a regular screw off. Okay. It's like a sponge there. Also has the positive and negative terminals like marked on there for you. That's a little difficult. Okay. And then put this aside. Showing underneath there. No, that's real hard. Maybe on this camera? No. There's nothing in there. It's just a spring with... You could see the terminal for this guy right there. Anyhow, let's go ahead and grab some batteries here. Right here already. Put it in. Oh, this does the same thing... Or no, this is what else. Yeah, no, this does the same thing as the Red Velvet light stick, which instead of actually showing what the polarity is, it shows you an arrow, and then the polarity, I don't know if I could actually get it on either camera, is written on the inside right there. I don't know if that's actually coming through on the camera or not. But again, I've just learned the springs mean negative, so the spring side gets the negative, and the opposite of the spring gets the positive. So hopefully that should work just fine, like that right there. And then back into the tube. That is a very snug fit. And then this just screws closed. That is very satisfying, the way that closes, the way that this finishes right there. Huh. Really nicely fit. Let's just put it that way. And then we could put the strap onto the big loop. This is probably going to be the easiest one that I've done out of every light stick that I've ever even looked at. And then, yeah, let's go ahead and click down. Oh, that's kind of nice. So it lights up, and same thing with the handle part right here. I don't recall seeing that, but yeah. So, and then if I click it again, oh, it just dimmed. Okay. So down here too, it dimmed, and then click it again it's like SOS or something. It's kind of an interesting flashing deal. I believe part of the app, if I remember correctly, is supposed to link it. I might be getting it mixed up with the Twice Candy Bong. I think that's what the Twice one's called, where it links up to like music if you play music. And then click it again, and it's off, which it is off. So yeah, I will go ahead and get some night shots of this, or shots in the dark rather, of this. And then, okay, yeah, that actually is kind of different. Strange. Clicks positively, but it just feels weird. And I wonder if I like set it down. Oh, okay, it's good. It's solid. That makes sense. And then just to go real quick over the stand, because I don't think there's much to go over on a stand. It does say Blackpink on there, and then there's the Blackpink logo right there. But yeah, this is super heavy this side because of this silicone, I think. It's just a big piece of it in there. It does sound hollow, but whatevs. And then, oh, last thing. I said when I unboxed this, how this was the version 1 and this is the version 2. The version 1, if you were to take this little keychain part off, it actually just stands on its own straight up because of the flare out at the base. But this one obviously doesn't, so they give you kind of the mic stand for it, which is kind of cool. But yeah, it fits nicely. I think that's amazing, and yeah, this is totally worth it. It was like $60. So, but anyhow, I'm glad that my local K-pop shop got it, and I think that it's worth every penny. So hopefully, again, like I said, I'll be able to go see them and actually like use this as a fan at their concert. But other than that, we'll see you in the next video here.